How to develop a website using AI for free. Okay, so I've been able to develop this website, this amazing site, totally for free using a free AI tool. And then this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to do the exact same thing. Okay, so look in the video description. I'm having a link of this platform. Just click on it, and it's going to bring you right here to this platform where you're going to use to build your website. Okay, so when you come here, simply come here to where it says sign up for free, and then come and click on it. Okay, so when you click on it, you are going to go through a short sign up process using your email address, and then you'll be logging right here to your dashboard, just like this one. So when you come to your dashboard, what you have to do is that you have to come down here where it says build site with AI, build site with AI, and then come and select it. So when you select it, what you have to do now is to first come here and then come and tell the AI the name of your website. Okay, so come and put it right here, the name of your website. Then simply come here where it says what is the purpose of this website. Just come and then select any of these. For this tutorial, I'm going to select entrepreneur, and then when you are done, just come here and then you can select the language that you want. I'm going to leave it at the default. Okay, so I'm going to call the name of my website as Make Money with Benis. Okay, this is the name of the website, Make Money with Benis. Then simply come in and come and click on the continue. So over here, what you have to do is to just describe what your website is about so that the AI will find the perfect web builder for you. Okay, you can simply come in and come and click on right using AI, and then the AI is going to generate something for you. Just read through. If you don't want it, simply come here where it says improve using AI, and then come and click on it, and it will regenerate a different one for you. Okay, so when you're okay, just come and click on the continue, and then what you have to do is to just provide your contact details so that people can contact you. Okay, the first thing that you can provide is your email address by coming here to put it right here. Beside that one, you can also come in and come and put in your phone number right here. Okay, just put in the phone number that people can use to contact you. Okay, you can also add your address to it so that people can get in contact with you, and they can even visit you personally. Okay, beside that one, you can also come and then put in your social media handles to it by simply coming to click on the plus sign, and then you can add any of these social media to your website. Okay, I'm going to skip all this by simply coming down here where it says skip step, and then I click on it. The next thing I have to do is to come here and then select images, free stock images that is going to be used to build your website. Okay, so over here you can sort by these categories that you want. You can simply click on any of them, and then that type of image will be shown. Okay, and then over here you can see your selected images right from the selected images by clicking on it. What you have to know is that don't select more than 20 images per one website. You can always add them later. Okay, so you can also add your own original images by clicking on upload your images right here, and you can simply come here to where it says upload images, and then you can upload your own images. You don't have to select more than 20 images at a time. You can always add them later. Okay, so you can also come to where it says search results, and then you can click on it to see more free stock images for you to select it. Okay, so when you are done and then you are okay after selecting the images, simply come here where it says continue, then come and click on the continue. So the next thing that you have to do is to just come here and then select how your website is going to look like. That is the structure of your website. Okay, you can simply come and select any of these by simply putting the mouse on it, and then it's going to be shown from top to the bottom how your website is going to be look like. Okay, so I'm simply going to go through and then select this one. It suits the preference of my website, and I'm going to select that one. Okay, so when you select it, you can add your logo to it. If you have a website logo that you want to upload it, and simply come and click on upload file, then it will be uploaded for you as well. Okay, you can also come and then select any of these fonts for your website. Beside that one, you can also come here and then come and select any of the color palette that you want. I'm simply going to leave mine as the default type, and then you can always come down here and then go back to other designs to select a different design if you don't like the one that has been selected. Okay, so when you're okay with the design, simply come here and then come and select the continue, and then over here come and then select any of these features to be added to your website. Okay, so we have these features. The first one is the donation. You can come and then check the box for it to be added. If you don't want to, simply come and then uncheck the box. Not only that, we also have the sales funnel. You can add it. We also have the free live chat as well, and then we also have the automation as well that you can simply add it to your website, and then we have the video player as well. Okay, I'm going to skip all this by simply coming down here where it says skip and then start building, and then I click on it. And then over here, this is a summary of what we have selected. Okay, so it says that we can go through and then simply come here and then come and click on start building the website. So all that you have to do is to just sit back, relax, and then wait for the AI to build our website for you. So hooray, we have successfully built our website. So what you have to do is to come and then keep these login details by simply coming to click on the copy, and then it will be copied and then copy it somewhere. Okay, you can simply come into view site and then click on it, and then over here it says that the website is temporary. Don't worry, I'm going to show you how to go by it. So come here and then come and put in OK, and then come and click on submit. So when you click on the submit, as you can see, our website is here, built successfully for us to our preference. Okay, so we have successfully built the website. What you have to do is that just come here to the top and then come and add wp-admin to your website URL, then hit enter. Okay, so all that you have to do is just come and put in the login credentials that we copied here, and then come and click on the login, and then you'll be logged in directly to our dashboard, okay, from our WordPress. So simply come and click on visit site to visit your site, and as you can see, our website is here. So when you come here to the top side, you see that the website is going to expire within 24 hours. Yes, it means that the AI that we have used to build our website does not host our website, so we have to host our website on a permanent web host. So let me show you how to do it. Okay, so let's go to our dashboard by clicking on it, and then over here just go to the plugins, and then when you come here to add new plugins, just come and then select that one, and then over here let's go and then search for this plugin called WP Vivid, this one. So when it comes, just come and then select it. Okay, so this one, that is it. Come and then click on the install now for it to be installed. So when it's finished installing, just come and then click on activate for it to be activated. So when you come here under the settings, you are going to see the WP Vivid backup here. So simply come to the backup side and then come down here and then make sure that database plus file is checked, and then save backup to local is checked as well. Then simply come here to where it says backups and then come and click on backup now. Okay, simply sit back, relax for it to be backed up, and then when it's finished, just come here to where it says the backups. Simply come down and then come here. You are going to see your backup right here. So that's the backup. Simply come here where it says the download, and then simply come and click on the download, and then come here to the file size, and then come here where we see the file size. You are going to see the download is here. Come and click on it for it to download. So as you can see, our website is downloading. Simply wait for it to finish downloaded. So as you can see, it has finished downloading, and then it's come and then click on the folder for it to be open just like this one. Okay, so we have successfully downloaded our website that we have built with a free AI tool, and then we have two ways to host it. We have a paid way to host it, and then a free way to host the website. I'm having a full video showing you step by step how to host it using either the paid one or the free one on my channel. Okay, so just go right to the channel and then watch it and then host your website.